Hello YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we got a good one. We got an unboxing of the Carter 5, the deluxe edition, which I'm stoked for. Here we have the original Carter 5 CD, which you've all seen, I presume. And here is the deluxe edition CD. I'm so stoked this has come through. Track listing, there is an extra 10 tracks on this deluxe version. Disc 1, Disc 2. There's also some pretty cool new stuff in the booklet. Title information, song information, more song info. That's a really cool picture. More info. Wheezy. This album was just fucking brilliant. When he did finally drop the Carter 5, it was just absolutely immense. It was so worth the wait. So stoked that we got this deluxe edition that contains some of the unused songs from the Carter 5. There's both editions. Thank you for watching.